All right, let me know when we're live.
We are live, Harlan.
Okay, guys, we're working on a bike. First bike featured on the channel. And should I get a bike? Because these are kind of straightforward to work on. We're putting in these frame sliders by Woodward.
Correct, Woodward.
And these 14mm bolts are going to be hella tight. But once you break it loose, if you've gone to the gym enough, then you're going to get it loose. And if the bike was just ran recently, it's going to be hot up in here, so don't be burning your fingers off now. We got the fairings off, and those, I believe, are just over there. Those turn signal connectors are going to be hella tight, so don't break those. And you should be good. We replaced the air filter. Look what was in behind the stock filter. What is this? This is show them the machine washable tag.
It's a machine washable.
This just be not right. They can't be doing this to us, especially on this 96-degree day. They really cannot.
It's from Germany.
These games. Oh, it's from Germany.
Yeah, whatever this was, from Germany. Made in Pakistan.
Wow. Well, this bike has been all over. Okay, so that's that. Can I reach that with my magnet? Yes.
Oh, beautiful.
Okay, so we got the bolts, and then there's a washer.
Oh, my washer just fell out. Yeah, I don't know.
Let's see here. Mine is.
I think mine's attached to the engine mount. That's why it fell out.
Okay. Dude, maybe I just don't have one over here. Let's see. Oh, it's in there.
Oh, it's in there?
It's in there. I see it now.
We're talking about this spot right here.
Yeah, it's in the hole. Okay.
A little washer.
So we'll test our. Oh, okay. Yeah, because see, it's sticking way out. So if I remove that, this will slide in further. Because this lock screw, we got to put some thread locker, blue thread locker on that, and feed it in through the.
Or is that one mine and this one's for you?
Oh, are they different lengths?
They are different lengths.
Dude, look at
yours has like a little bit.
Give me that. This is mine.
This is definitely mine.
Okay, mine just goes right in.
Oh, I got your bolt. My bad.
Oh, true. Oh, I got your super long bolt.
Oh wow. Look at this.
Oh,
this
it's
bolt.
keyed. This is crazy. Check this out. So it's got a flat on here, and it's keys in with this flat on here. So you literally cannot mess it up. It only goes in one way. All right. Sweet. And we didn't need does yours just slide right in?
Slides right in.
Okay, we didn't even need to use the little grinding tool they supplied us with.
But I still do need this spacer to go back in. There's just a gap if I don't.
All right, City. Yeah, what else do you want to say?
I don't know.
Just sweating like...
Wait, this is for you.
Oh, this is me.
That's for you. Yeah.
Okay.
Wrong part. That's it. We're working on this bike. What's good? It's your boy. Skinny. Nothing. Anyways.
All right, Tinny, whenever you're ready.
Ready for this?
Yeah. Standing up.
How's it looking? Is it dirty?
It's actually so clear.
Really?
I can't even tell.
Unless there was no oil movement. I mean.
Okay, it says run the engine for a good 2-3 minutes, this thick 10 WD-40, and then stand the bike up, what you're doing, and check the oil level. If it's between the high and low marks, right on either side of the sight glass, we're good. And you're about, is that standing straight up?
That's standing straight up.
Oh, dude, you're full.
I'm full?
You're actually full.
Wow.
So you're good. All right, sweet.